I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about functions in Python, how the function is created and how it is utilized in our programming. So I am taking the concept of, before starting into the concept, so I am going to tell about the definition and how we are going to create the function, how we are going to call in that function. So the definition of function is, so it is a block of code which only runs when it is called. So we are going to write some statements, that is the block of code. Whenever we want, that times it is going to call and it is utilized. So whether the function return value, yes, the function can return value as a result based. So how the result based means, so whenever the function is called, inside of the code is executed. After executing that block of code, it must return some value or variable, some value in a variable format. So it helps in avoiding code repetitions. So in particular, I want to display the message called welcome in 10 times means I don't want to write the print statement in 10 times. So that is the concept of code repetition. Okay, let us do that, how we are going to create that function. So how we are going to create means through def. Def is a keyword which is not replaceable. So it is a case sensitive one. So def in small case only we are going to give. After the space we have to give the function name. So the function name may be of any format. So later I have discuss about how the function name should be. So inside of that we are going to give the statements. So next, how what are the functions are created, but how it is going to utilize through the calling of the function. How we are going to call that created function means through the function name only I am going to call. So here the function name. So I am going to use, for example, the function name may be of print means. So I have to use the function called print. So in previous one I have told that what are the rules for creating the function name. So always the function name must start with letter. So we all know that the uppercase letter or lowercase, whatever we want, we can give the name for the function name. So second one will be of, it can contains letters, numbers and underscore. So it does not start with the number. So it may include the number in the middle. So it is a case sensitive one. So for example, I am creating a function called print. So as I have created, that only I have to give. Instead of that, I can't able to use the uppercase letter for calling the function. Okay. So this is the important one while creating the function. Let us see with the example. So how we are going to create the function? I want to create the function called welcome. So welcome message to be printed at least 10 times. So for that only I am going to create the function. So I have created a function called welcome. So here the function name is replaced with welcome after that colon. So here I am going to give what are the statements to be executed while calling this function. So I have given as print welcome to class. So whether I have to give only one line of statements, so there is no need to give one line of statement. We can include more number of statements also. Minimum we have to give one line of statements. Okay. I have created one line of statement. Another one line of statements also I am adding. So second B, B, C. So this messages I have created using the function. Okay, I have just created the function. How we are going to call that function? So for calling the function, I need to use the concept called function name. Through the function name only I have to call that function. So here the function name is welcome. So after this, I have to give the call the function through the name. So the function is welcome. So here after giving the welcome, what is the output for that? So here after executing this line, we will get the output as welcome to class. second print statement is second BVAC. So what I have told that if I want to display the message in 10 times. So if you want to display the message in 10 times means again you have to give the function name as welcome. Okay, this is the concept of functions used in Python programming. Thank you.